Look, there's some there, mister. Ready? No, get him down here,
No, I'm getting a better view.
Yeah. Don't pick my fingers and I'll give it to ya. I've got more. Videoing it. Yeah. Mind my fingers with that fucking beak. Yeah.
My good God.
Come back tonight and get some more biscuits because you just had 4.
Oh, now what are you going to do?
Yeah. Gently.
Gently.
I've
Telling
got
a
fingers.
seagull gently.
Fucking, yeah, but I don't want to be bitten by his bee size of it. It's bigger than our parrots.
Just give him a Monster Munch. Ellie's got the Monster Munch open.
Go and get him some then.
I'm filming, you get one.
Ellie, bring me your Monster Munch.
He's gone.
He's back a minute because he sits over on that fucking pole and watches us. On that mate's chimney here.
Does he really?
Yeah.